Chris, thank you for speaking to us today. What's your interest in the advanced materials space?
So I run a group called Peloton Advisors, and we focus on building boards and management teams for young technology and engineering companies. Our interest in the advanced materials space is down to the fact that most of the companies we work with, a large percentage of the companies we work with, would actually classify themselves as advanced materials. And our focus is on building up their management teams and building up their boards so that they can become world-class businesses. I think this is a particular challenge for advanced materials companies because the rate of commercialization or progression in advanced materials companies has been slow. And so we are looking for ways to accelerate this, or at the very least, support these companies with the very best management teams and boards so that they can accelerate their own progression and development.
What challenges are you currently facing?
So the number one challenge we see is the recruitment of these individuals. And that's our core competence, that's what we do. Identifying enough high quality executives in this country within the advanced materials sector is a real challenge. And there are a number of reasons for that. Advanced materials companies are often characterized by very complex supply chains. From day one, they're engaging with big corporates. And so the quality or the skill set that we need in the executives we're hiring is a blend of large corporate experience plus a lot of the entrepreneurial instincts you'd expect to see in small businesses. So we can't just go for only those who understand early stage companies. In the advanced materials space, we need large corporate thinking and large corporate best practice, but made into a digestible format for young companies. And so finding people with that blend of experience is a big challenge. Also, the UK is limited by numbers. We're a small country, relatively speaking. And so we need to advise, we often advise our clients, we need to look in the US, we need to look in Asia, we need to look in other parts of the world. We cannot confine ourselves just to the UK market. And of course, attracting or recruiting individuals to come and base themselves in the UK is always a challenge.
What have you learned from today, and what drives you to attend events such as this?
What's great about advanced materials companies is that the scale of innovation, the scale of the problems they're looking to solve is huge. It's so impressive. And we've seen a lot of really impressive companies today. I think by and large, advanced material companies need to get better at telling their story. They need to get better at presenting in the way that digital companies do, in the way that software companies have done in the past. Advanced materials companies are often led by chemists or physicists or engineers, and they tend not to show off, or they tend not to tell their story as well enough. They tend to be more modest by nature. We need to get better at that because the things we're doing in these sectors are just tremendous. The innovations we're realizing are phenomenal, but we have to get better at telling our story. I think we also, I like attending events such as these, and I think the GCV Advanced Materials event has been very good because it pulls together different parties who are involved and who have a stake in seeing this sector succeed. And we need to do more of this more often so that we continue these discussions and we continue to improve the quality of the companies that are coming out of this sector.
Chris, thank you very much.
Thank you.